Oh. Whoa! Hey guys, so I know it's been like forever since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back and I'm going to be working on more videos.
Sad, happy, sad.
History project, and so me and my friend are going to be working on that this week, and it's gonna be like a silent movie kind of thing. So maybe I'll upload it when I'm done. And
Look at him stick his little nose in my leg thing.
I wonder if this thing will fit on my head. Okay. Oh! Look, I went all the way around. Oh, get off.
I got it!
A giant scaredy cat. Like, my mom says that we did it to him, but so I'm gonna scare him.